Hi there, I'm showing you how to replace the battery in this 3 Series key fob. You do not need any tools, but you are going to need one of the 2032 batteries, and you can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. So on this back portion, you want to push this button in while simultaneously pushing this silver piece down. So push, down, and pull out like that. Now you can use your mechanical key here. Just push right here and slide that out. Then take a mechanical key, or you can use your screwdriver or a fingernail, and you just want to kind of wedge it in between that tray right there. And just give it a nice firm slide open. There's your dead battery, remove that. The new one goes in positive side facing down, and then you slide it back in that slot. The tray can only go in one orientation since that slot's there. You want to replace your mechanical key, and then this slides on just like that. And you're all set, no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.